Hey guys, welcome back to Vinoo Schooling. My name is Vinoo, and in this session you will be learning how to install Python. Before we start, just make sure you are subscribed to our channel, hit the bell icon to stay updated. Type python.org. You will see Python website. There is a menu bar. In that menu bar you have to click download menu, download the latest version of Python. There is a button, yellow color button, you have to click that. Python idle supports Windows OS, Linux OS and Mac OS. Then after downloaded, you just go to the downloads and you can find the exe file python-3.10.6. A dialog box will open. We have to select install now button and it will take some time. The installing process is going on. So Python is installing. I will give a Python website URL in the below description. You can click and you can install. So the setup was successful. So installation is completed. So we have to close the dialog box. That's it. So Python ideally or idle editor is installed successfully. Thanks for watching.